Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Pyro Michael 19 back again for another video. Hope you guys are having a great day and a safe 4th of July. Today we got Die Hard. It's a 16 shot 200 gram cake by Pro Fireworks and Black Diamond brand. This is what the tube layout looks like if you guys are curious. And this is what the performance reads on this bad boy. You guys can pause the video if you guys want to read that. But anyways, let's get on to the demo of Die Hard, 16 shot by Pro Fireworks. Let's get into it. All right, guys, here goes Die Hard, 16 shot by Pro Fireworks and Black Diamond brand. Die Hard, 16 shot. Woo, that was a really good piece. Definitely pick it up at Pro Fireworks.